basic integration additional problem. So, ito yung solution doon sa ating quiz number 1 na binigay ko. First is integral of a quantity, 5x squared minus 8x plus 5, closed quantity dx. Okay? So, dito, this would be equals to 5. X raised to 2 plus 1 is 3. So, this is cube all over cube or 3 minus 8. X 1 plus 1 is 2. So, this is squared all over 2 plus 5x plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay? So, simplifying further the equation, pwede natin ito makancel. Okay? So, this would be equals to 5 over 3 x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x plus the arbitrary constant c. So, ito na yung sagot sa ating question number 1. Okay? For question number 2, we have the integral of a quantity negative 6x cubed plus 9x squared plus 4x minus 3 closed quantity dx. Okay? Same pa rin ang gagawin natin. So, katulad ng mga video na ginawa natin last modules. Basic integration pa rin. So, this is negative 6. X raised to 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? So, this is exponent natin ay 4 all over 4 plus 9 x cubed all over 3 plus 4x squared all over 2 minus 3x plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay? So, dun sa mga naguguluhan, ito yung x raised to n plus 1. Okay? Yung n dyan yung ating exponent. Okay? Nagagawin natin siya na n plus 1. So, kung ano yung exponent natin, mag-add lang tayo ng 1 and then all over n plus 1. Okay? So, simplifying further this equation, this will give us a negative 3 halves x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus the arbitrary constant na c. Okay? So, ito yung sagot sa ating number 2. Okay, next. For number 3, we have the integral of a quantity x raised to 3 halves. Okay, so in this case, yung ating exponent ay fraction. Okay, plus 2x plus 3 closed quantity dx. Okay, so sabi ko nga, kapag meron tayong exponent na meron tayong fraction, tapos mag-add tayo ng 1, so pwede mong gawin yung 1 as a fraction din. Kung ano yung denominator niya, yun din yung gagawin natin siya, numerator at sa denominator, to equate as 1. So halimbawa, 3 halves plus 1, pwede mo siyang gawin as 3 halves or 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2. Then, copy the denominator, then add the numerator. So, this would be equals to 5 over 2 or 5 halves. Okay? So, in this case, this will be equal to x raised to 5 all over 2 all over 5 over 2 plus 2x squared all over 2 plus 3x plus the arbitrary constant na c. So, ngayon, yung ating denominator ay fraction. So, pwede natin siyang i-reciprocal. So, this is equals to 2 over 5 or 2/5 x raised to 5 over 2 plus, cancelled na yung 2. So, this would be x squared plus 3x plus the arbitrary constant na c. Okay? So, yan yung sagot sa ating number 3. Okay, now, sa ating number 4 naman, recall nyo yung example natin about dun sa undefined, no? Kasi dito ay mai-apply natin yon. So, yung ating number 4 is the integral of a quantity 8 over x minus 5 over x squared plus 6 over x cubed closed quantity dx. So, alam natin na kapag meron tayong 1 over x, for instance, pwede natin siyang ilagay as x raised to 1 raised to negative 1. Okay? Kasi ito ay meron itong 1 dyan sa exponent. So, kapag tinaas natin siya, yung kanyang sign ay magiging negative. Kaya lang, kapag nag-plus ka dito ng 1, ito ay magiging 0. Diba? So, iyan ay x raised to 0. So, undefined yan. So, base dun sa rules natin, kapag meron tayong undefined, ang gagawin natin ay mag-ln tayo. So, alam natin that is ln. Okay? So, 8 ln of x. Then, minus 5x raised to negative 2. Ito ay meron pang integral. Bakit? Kasi hindi pa tayo nag-integrate dyan. Okay? Plus the integral of 6x raised to negative 3. Tinaas ko lang itong mga nasa ibaba na x squared at saka x cubed. Okay? Then, dx. So, copy mo lang ito, 8 ln of x, then minus 5x raised to negative 1 all over negative 1 plus 6x raised to negative 2 all over negative 2 plus the arbitrary constant na c. Okay? So, pwede pa natin ito i-simplify. So, this will give us the value of 8 ln of x. Ito ay magiging positive na kasi negative 5 all over negative 1 is positive 5. Okay? So, plus 5. Tapos yung x natin ay pwede ng x. Bakit? Sa ibaba, kasi gagawin natin siyang denominator. Ito. Pag binaba natin siya sa denominator, yung kanyang exponent ay magiging positive. Okay? Then, minus 3 all over x squared. Ito ay binaba natin siya sa denominator. So, ang exponent niya ay magiging positive. And then, ito ay magiging negative 3 na lang kasi positive 6 over negative 2 is negative 3. Okay? Plus, huwag niyong kalilimutan si arbitrary constant c. So, this is now our final answer for number 4. Next. So, yung next problem natin, medyo tricky kasi radical siya. Okay? So, for number 5, we have the integral of a quantity and square root of x plus 1 all over 3 square root of x closed quantity dx. So, recall natin na kapag meron tayong square root of x, this is equals to x raised to 1/2. Okay? So, kapag yung 1 over square root of x, yan is equals to 1 all over x raised to 1/2. Okay? Or pwede natin itong itaas dito. Yan ay x raised to negative 1/2. Okay? So, pwede na natin siyang isubstitute sa ating problem. Rewrite lang muna natin. So, this would be equals to integral of x raised to 1/2 plus 1/3 x raised to negative 1/2. Okay? Yan yung pinakita ko kanina. Then, dx. So, dito meron din tayong integral dyan. So, proceed tayo sa integration. So, this would be equals to x raised to 3/2 all over 3 over 2 plus 1/3 times x raised to 1/2. Okay? All over 1/2. Kasi negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2. Okay? Then, plus the arbitrary constant c. So, alam natin na ito ay pwede natin siyang i-reciprocal and i-multiply dito. Okay? So, yan ay magiging ganito. Ito din. So, this would be equals to 2 over 3 x raised to 3 halves plus 2 over 3 x raised to 1 half. Okay? Plus the arbitrary constant c. So, ito yung sagot sa ating question number 5. For question number 6, okay? So, yung ating number 6 is ganito. The integral of a quantity 12x raised to 3/4. So, 3/4 naman yung kanyang exponent minus 9x raised to 5, 3. Okay, closed quantity dx. Okay, so ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin. So, this would be equal to 12x, 7 over 4, all over 7 over 4. Okay, paano nangyari? Kasi we have 3, 4, plus 4, 4. Itong 4, 4 ay just equals to 1. So, this would be equals to copy the denominator and add the numerator. So, 7 over 4. Okay? So, after that, yung isa naman, so this would be equals to negative 9x raised to 8 over 3 all over 8 over 3 plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay, so proceed tayo dito. Ito ay i-reciprocal natin dito. Okay? And yung numerator ay pwede natin siyang i-multiply dun sa ating whole number. Okay? So this should be equals to 48 over 7 x raised to 7 over 4 minus 27x raised to 8 over 3 all over 8 plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay? Bakit nangyaring ganyan? Kasi yung ating 4 is na-multiply natin siya into 4 times 12. Tapos ito naman ay 3 times 9. Okay? So ito ay 48 at ito ay 27. Okay? Next. For number 7, we have the integral of okay, so x squared plus 4 all over x squared then dx. Okay? So, ito ay pwede natin siyang gawin as pwede natin siyang i-rewrite na ganito, integral of x squared over x squared plus the integral of 4 all over x squared dx. So, alam natin na yung x squared over x squared is 1. Okay? So, this should be 1 plus 4x raised to negative 2. Pero ito ay magmumultiply pa tayo dito. So, ito ay meron pang integral. Mag-integrate pa tayo dyan. Plus the arbitrary constant c. dx muna dahil mag-integrate pa tayo. So, this would be equals to x plus 4 x raised to negative 1 all over negative 1 plus the arbitrary constant c. Kasi yung 1 is meron pa tayong x na makukuha dito, okay? And ito, since ito ay negative 2 plus 1, that would be negative 1 all over negative 1. Or simply, this is equals to x minus 4 over x plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay, negative kasi yung exponent ng x, so pwede natin itong ibaba sa denominator para maging positive yung kanyang exponent. Next. For number 8 naman, we have the integral of 1 all over x multiplied by square root of x dx. Okay? So, in this case, pwede natin siyang pagsamahin. So, ito ay parang ganito. 1 over x raised to 1 half. Sorry. This is 1. Okay? Then, x raised to times x raised to 1 half. Yun. So, pag minultiply natin ito, ay that is equals to 3 halves. Kaya lang, nasa denominator siya. So, pwede natin siyang i-rewrite na like this. So, integral of x raised to negative 3 over 2 dx. Then, integrate natin siya. So, this should be equals to x raised to negative 1 half all over negative 1 half plus the arbitrary constant c. 4, pwede natin itong i-reciprocal dito. So, this would be negative 2 all over square root of x plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay?